In today's video, I'm going to teach you a slick and efficient method for removing a background in Photoshop CC 2023 with just one click. Whether you're a seasoned Photoshop pro or just starting out, this technique will save you a ton of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Adobe Photoshop CC 2023. Make sure it's up to date, as this feature shines best in the latest version. Then simply add the image that you're working on. You can do this by going to File and then selecting Open, browsing through your computer to find your desired image file. Alternatively, you could drag your image directly into Photoshop from your File Explorer or desktop. This is the stage where you're essentially setting up your workspace. Take a moment to get comfortable with the image, maybe zooming in or out as necessary to get a good view of the background and the subject. Now, onwards to selecting the background. This is where Photoshop's powerful tools really come in handy. Move over to your toolbar and select the Quick Selection tool. It's an incredible feature that uses artificial intelligence to help you highlight areas of your image. Hold down the left mouse button and drag over the area of the background you wish to select. You will see the so-called marching ants appear around your selected area. If the tool doesn't perfectly select the background on your first attempt, don't worry. Photoshop's selection tools are flexible. You can add to or subtract from the selection by holding down the Shift key or Alt key respectively. The aim here isn't perfection, but a decent selection of the background in a few swift motions. Now comes the moment of magic. With your background selected, simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. At this point, you might get a pop-up asking if you want to convert your background into a normal layer. Clicking OK allows the background deletion to take effect. If you're used to working at warp speed, remember not to rush through any confirmations, as they ensure nothing in your original image gets permanently altered unintentionally. After the background is removed, you can see your subject isolated with a transparent layer behind it, represented by that familiar checkerboard pattern. This transparent background is perfect for fitting your subject into a variety of new settings or contexts in future projects. You might want to fine-tune the edges using the Refine Edge tool to ensure everything looks smooth and professional, adding the perfect finishing touches. And there you have it, folks. That's how you remove a background from an image in Adobe Photoshop CC 2023 with just one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy editing.